Hi friends, happy Thursday. I hope you're having a wonderful day today thus far. So today we're going to be working on getting the rest of this ground prepared for fall planting. Now where I have all of the flags, I don't know if you can see those very good, but where I have all the flags, those are going to be rows, and that ground is all ready and all prepared for planting. We just have to throw down some amendments, and then we can pop the seeds in the ground over there. But over here, this ground is a different story. So let me turn the camera around. Over here, the grass is like really, it's not really like that kind of stuff. Like, it's like really deep, and there's just like a lot of junk in it. And because of that, we're going to take the John Deere and we're going to rip this up, and we're going to re-till it with that to see if we can get that worked loose a little better. And then we're going to clear the rest of this stuff over here. Like, this whole strip was a part of the garden at one point. And so we're going to try and make that a part of the garden again, and we'll just get this area all tilled up. And so I can have, that'll give me, I have 7 rows, and that will give me, I think, 6 or 7 more rows. So that'll finish it up, and then we can come in here and we might be able to get some planting done. I don't know, we'll see, play it by ear. And then once we get everything planted, we'll have to work on getting the sprinkler system reattached for this. So let's jump into it.
Did I say we? I meant my brother Josh.
Okay, so we got this all done, and now we're going to work on ripping this area up with the tractor real quick. Alright, so I have it all marked out. We have a total of 13 rows, and we can go ahead and we can get amendments, and we can start planting up this area with our fall seeds. Alright everybody, it is the next day. We ran out of light last night, so we're going to go ahead and jump into it and work on planting the seeds in the garden today. My brother Josh is going to be out here in a minute. He's going to help me do that. So I wanted to give you a quick update on the cabbages before we get started and go over everything that we're going to be planting. So the beef with the cabbages is that there are no cabbages. They all came up and they were doing really good, and I was really excited and really happy. But unfortunately, when they didn't even have their true leaves yet, the fire ants came and they ate all the cabbages. So there are no cabbages in there, so we are going to have to replant those. That's unfortunate, but c'est la vie. So we're going to be re-sowing cabbages, and then we're going to we're going to create 4 rows with the compost that we have, see how far we can get, and we're going to be planting cauliflower, broccoli, collards, and Brussels sprouts. So here's the wonderful array of seeds that we're going to be using. We have a collard from Fairy Morse and Gurney's, 3 cabbages from Fairy Morse, a broccoli from Fairy Morse and Gurney's, a cauliflower from Fairy Morse, and then a Brussels sprout from Gurney's. And I'm kind of excited for those because we haven't ever grown those before, so we'll see. Fingers crossed, we'll see how that goes. So let's jump into it. So I just got everything watered in. Looks like the 4th of July. And we have, both of these are cabbage, then we have Brussels sprouts, then we have collard greens. This is the cauliflower, and then these two are the broccoli. So, there we go. Oh God, the rose looks so pretty. I love the way, just stepping back and looking at the rose, it looks so pretty. So happy with that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to hit that big red subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can get notifications every time that I upload a brand new video. A huge thank you to my brother Josh for being in this video, and I really couldn't have done it without him. I need some help with that, so I really do appreciate it. I will leave all of his information linked in the description box below, so if you want to head over to his Instagram or his YouTube, you can hop on over there and you can check it out. And yeah, I think that's everything. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.